It was Christmas Eve. There was hustle and bustle in the Johnsons' house. Everyone was busy doing something or the other. The Johnson family had put up a big Christmas tree in the living room. It was decorated with fir and pine cones and many other things. There was a beautiful star on the top too. The tree sparkled when it was lighted up. In the evening, the Johnson family enjoyed a delicious 6-course dinner. Grace and Bella helped their mother clean up after dinner. Then they hung up their stockings. They went to bed hoping Santa would leave presents for them. Grace and Bella's parents knew that they had been good children all year. After the girls were asleep, they put big presents under the Christmas tree for them. In the morning, Grace and Bella were very happy. They loved the gifts. They decided to be good children next year too. Christmas Robin. Cold breeze blew continuously into the stable where Mother Mary lay with the baby Jesus. The fire in the stable was about to go off. Mother Mary asked the animals in the stable to help, but they were either of no use or just refused to help. But a robin had heard Mother Mary's cry for help. It flapped its wing hard at the dying embers of fire until the fire was rekindled. To ensure that the fire stayed alive, the robin used its beak and dropped some dry sticks in the fire. This caused the fire to rise abruptly, and it burned the breast of the robin. Despite the burns, the robin continued fanning. Mother Mary heartily thanked the robin for its efforts. She tenderly looked at its breast that was now red with burns. She blessed it for its bravery and selflessness. Thus, it came to be known as the Christmas Robin. The parrots. It was winter time. There was a Christmas feel in the air. Some parrots were sitting together. One parrot said to another, "Let us eat as much as we can today, for it seems that it is going to snow hard. Then we will not be able to find anything to eat." All the parrots agreed to what the parrot said. Suddenly, one of them said, "We can go to the farm. At least we will get to eat something." But another parrot cried, "No, we will not go there. The farmer was angry with us when we went there the last time." The other parrots were in confusion. Half wished to go there and half did not. Finally, they decided to go to the farm. They were in for a surprise when they reached the farm. The farmer did not say anything and gave them food to eat. He shouted, "Merry Christmas!" The kind children. Once, two kids were sitting by the fire. Suddenly, someone knocked at the door. On opening it, they saw a scantily dressed child with bare feet. He demanded to come in and warm himself. "Yes, come," cried both the children. They shared their supper and bed with him. Suddenly, at night, the child stood before them. He no longer wore rags, but was clad in silvery light. He said, "I was cold, and you took me in. I was hungry, and you fed me. I was tired, and you gave me your bed. I am the Christ child. I bring happiness to all good children. As you have given to me, so may this tree every year give rich fruit to you." He broke a branch from a fir tree and planted it. Then he disappeared. The branch grew into a tree. Every year, it bore wonderful golden fruit for the kind children.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.